Juicy butter chicken, sizzling spices and a hot paratha straight off the tawa. Today we are making the ultimate butter chicken roll. Start by melting butter in a hot pan. Add finely chopped onions and cook until soft and lightly golden. Now add ginger garlic paste. Saute briefly until the raw aroma disappears and everything smells rich and fragrant. Sprinkle the spices, turmeric, chilli powder, garam masala and coriander powder. Stir well to bloom the flavors in butter. Add the chicken pieces and cook, coating them evenly in the masala. Let them sear and absorb all those nice spices. Pour in the thick tomato puree. Mix thoroughly and allow the sauce to simmer until slightly thick and glossy. Lower the heat and add fresh cream. Stir gently as the gravy turns smooth, creamy and velvety. Now you can warm the paratha on a hot tawa. Cook until soft with light golden spots on both sides. You can use roti also for this. Place the paratha flat, add the thick butter chicken, top with onions and coriander, then roll it up tightly. There you go. Butter chicken roll is ready. Warm, creamy and packed with flavor. Try this for dinner and let me know how it turned out.